Here we are down at the Sioux River in Washburn, Wisconsin. We just got some trout that I'm cooking on the fire here. Got a little bit of water boiling here too. A little bit of water boiling in a big old bottle so you can drink it up. And we were down here for a few hours today. We got to probably about a mile downstream of our original access point, and we decided to take a little break, have a little fire, have a little shore lunch, see if we can't get a fish caught on film here. We just got a small steelhead on a spinner not too long ago, so let's see what we got. Nothing. Well, I guess this kid stole my spinner, so. Well, I guess, yeah, this kid stole my spinner, so yeah. Yeah. It's, nice cast, about half the stream. Seen one jumping down that way not too long ago. It was a pretty nice one, too. See if we can't get him right now. Nope. But, yeah, we're down here fishing for some, wow. If you guys would have seen that. Oh, here we go. Got the spinner stuck in a tree. Whoa! That was lethal. It almost smoked me right in the dome. Well, let's take one more cast in this spot and see what happens. Well, no walleyes, so it's probably a good thing. But we're gonna go ahead and put this fire out and continue fishing. We're gonna have to get in touch with you guys later. So yeah. Yeah, so can't go just yet though. We gotta try. We gotta get something. We gotta get something on camera. We gotta catch a fish. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to catch her on camera for you guys. Just wait. Don't leave us yet. And I know we're losing you, but just hold up. Let's go take a look at the fire. The water is boiling. I don't know if you guys have ever seen. I don't know if anybody knew that you can boil water in a plastic bottle, but it's boiling. You can cook soup right in there. You can cook some soup right in that plastic bottle. So, see if we can't get one here. Well, it's quite a flashy lure. That'll probably catch one for sure. You just skipped it across the water. You guys see that? That was pretty neat. Neat little maneuver. I want to do a figure 8 on this one. Yeah, looks, yeah, so. Well, caster. Oh, snapped it off. Yeah, we cast her across the river, tried drifting over the trees, and snapped her right off.
Somebody's gonna have a nice lure.
Yeah, like me. I'm gonna go out there and wait and grab this thing. It's getting deep. Whoa. Wait, there's something right here. Probably. Oh my God! I just found a nice little spinner. Dude, look at this. This is actually pretty sweet. Nice little Mets. And what do we got here? Ooh, I just got my arms soaked. Can you guys believe that? We better not put this fire out just yet, because I just got a spinner and a spoon, and yeah, I go warm up, so that'll do her. Thanks for watching.